Go! Watch how thin they cut them. There's different techniques. Steve is pushing his straws through the wood. Fred is cutting with the top of the bar, bringing it towards him. That's how it's done, folks. If you want to take that one extra cut, think you can get that one.